Hey everyone, Jeff Sire from the Practical Drummer here. You can see I can still have my jammies on, just got up. But I had this fill in my head that I had to get out. We've been talking about 16th note triplets, and you've all heard the end of the song, that kind of thing, right? The roll. I'm going to teach you how to do that. First I'm going to break it down, slow it down a little bit. So if we were to use eighth note triplets, 1 ta-ta, 2 ta-ta, 3 ta-ta, 4 ta-ta, so we're in 4/4. I want to play the left foot on quarter notes, of course, as I usually do. And I'm just going to put the right hand on one drum, the left hand on another drum, and the foot on the third triplet. So 1 ta-ta, 1 ta-ta, 2 ta-ta, 3 ta-ta, 4 ta-ta, 1, okay? But with the left foot going. Something like this. And I'll just kind of articulate it around the kit. All right, left foot. 1, 2, 3 ta-ta, 4 ta-ta. Okay? So basic triplets, phrase is right, left foot. Okay, so 3-note groupings. Now, you could also play left, right foot. 1, 2, 3 ta-ta, 4 ta-ta. Okay, so a little bit more up to speed. I'll do a bar of right, left foot, and then change to left, right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was right, left foot for a measure, left, right foot for a measure. These sound pretty cool when you put them into a fill. If I'm playing an eighth note groove and then I switch to a triplet fill, it sounds kind of neat. So that would sound like this. So practice that. You can also do 2 hands on different drums, 2 hits together. 1 ta-ta. That's kind of fun too. So to make the 16th note triplet fill happen though, this thing that I showed you in the beginning, what we need to do is double up the right, left foot. So we're going to just do right, left foot first. And in other videos, I can show you left, right foot, up to speed. So the way I think about this is instead of hitting the quarter note, just to kind of get your body used to playing these 6-note groupings now, because it's right, left foot, in the space of each quarter note. So I'm just going to play the quarter note on every other the foot on every other quarter note, just to kind of get us going in the right direction. So sound like this. Okay, I'm still thinking 8th note triplets right now. The left foot is now, say, on 1 and 3, right? So 1 ta-ta, 2 ta-ta, 3 ta-ta. Okay, so you're starting to get the gist of it. I was raising the tempo up a little bit, and you want to try that. But you want to make sure that it doesn't get muddy. A lot of times you hear drummers play this kind of fill, but it sounds muddy. There's a certain tempo that it kind of switches over to that like blah. So we want to make sure that all of those notes are articulated. And as you just get better at it, you practice it, you can raise the tempo. Okay? Okay, so, but putting it into 4/4 as 16-note triplets, I'm showing you there with 8th note triplets using a half note. Okay, we actually want to make this into 16-note triplets in 4/4. using 16, 16 note triplets, as I just said. So you can see, explaining this stuff sometimes is challenge. So 1, 2. If I'm thinking 16 note triplets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 to ante to 2 to ante to 3 to ante to 4 to ante to 1. So you sing 1 to ante to. That's doubling up the eighth note triplets to make 16th note triplets. So 1 to ante to 2 to ante to 3 to ante to 4 to ante to 1. Okay, eighth note triplets would be 1 ta ta 2 ta ta 3 ta ta 4 ta ta 1 to ante to 2 to ante to 3 to ante to 4 to ante to 1 ta ta 2 ta ta 3 ta ta 4 ta ta 1. Okay, so with that 1 ta ta and ta ta, it's 1 ta ta and ta ta. 1 ta ta. Okay? In fact, if I play the right hand on the floor tom, this is just playing eighth notes. If you listen. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay? So it goes from playing eighth note triplets to the right hand actually accenting the eighth notes, okay? Because you're going 1 ta ta and ta ta, 1 ta ta and ta ta. See, the eighth notes are right there, okay? So as you get more comfortable with this, you can bring it up to speed. I'll play it a little bit slow, play a groove, and I actually like to play instead of crashing into the 1, you have to double up the foot. So it'd be like 4 ta ta and ta ta 1. You got to go ta 1. I like to crash a cymbal on 4. 3 ta ta and ta ta 4. You'll see what I mean. 1, 2. So you can see, I definitely switched the drums up there, but I'm still going right, left foot, okay? I could just do it on these two drums, but I'm doing it on separate drums, 2. Something like that. You could just keep it 2 drums. See that right, left foot, okay? Sky's the limit, get creative. So what I'm doing is I'm just going 1 ta ta and ta ta 2 ta ta and ta ta 3 ta ta and 4. Right? 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I like doing that because it sounds kind of cool to crash on the 4 instead of the 1. But you can also crash on the 1. That would sound like this. Okay, so you have to make sure if you go the distance through the whole measure of 4/4, it's 4 ta ta and ta ta 1. Got to do that quick ta 1, which up to speed it's very fast. Okay, so that's it. It's kind of cool too to mix and match, play the triplet fill, right, left foot, the eighth note triplet, and then move into 16th note triplets. So why don't I play one measure, the fourth measure of a groove, as half eighth note triplets and half 16th note triplets. That would sound like this. 1, 2. That's it, guys. Check that out. Post some comments. Love to hear how it goes for you. Take care.